Welcome all. Today we'll be discussing one more program of shell script. Here we'll be implementing a simple calculator taking in two integers. Now we'll get into the terminal window, open the file called sample.sh, and after that the input type is nothing but ABC. Now I can initialize A is equal to 0, and again B is equal to 0, and again C is equal to 0. Now I will just use the command called as clear, which clears the terminal window. Next I will display any two integer numbers, that is read A, I will read B. In addition to that, I will display the menu item, and then I will display the menu, plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, and slash for division. And then I'll get the choice, get that choice in CH, and I'll be using the case statement. And in this case statement, I'll use dollar of CH, and this is the syntax. I'll be using a single quote, embedding plus in a single quote, bracket, space, C is equal to tilde sign expr, space dollar A plus space dollar B, close the tilde sign, and then echo sum is equal to dollar of C, and I'll be putting semicolon to end that case. Similarly, I'll be doing it for minus, and similarly for star, but here we have to be very careful that we have to put / and star for multiplication and display the value, and similarly for slash, the same statement. And then if it is for invalid statement, then I will just display this particular message, and I'll close the case statement. So this is how the program is written. Now I'll save this particular file and come out of this to the terminal window. I'll be running the sample file. Here I have to enter two numbers, 3. For the first case, I'll be giving it as plus. The answer is 5. Again, I'll be repeating the command sample.sh. Now in this case, I'll give 3 and 2. I'll give minus sign. So therefore, the subtraction is 1 and 1. And again, similarly, I'll be running the program again for the third time. I will give 2 and 3, and I'll give star. Now the answer is 6. Again, I'll run the program. I will give 3 and 2. I will give slash as the thing, and the quotient is 1. Again, I'll run the program. So I'll give 2 and 3. This time I'll give star. Now it is invalid choice. This is how we will implement a simple calculator.